Hello everybody, how you all doing? It's your girl. My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. So if you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Thank you to my amazing subscribers and thank you to those that will be joining the family. Yes, after joining the family, please click the notification bell. Yes, like you have seen in the topic today, I want to talk about positive saga. Yay! You know, when we say saga, saga doesn't have to be a bad news most of the time. Sometimes let's celebrate when people are celebrating. Let's make noise for the right reason. I'm here to make noise for a right reason. I have seen what my eyes have not seen before. Guys, I've been on YouTube for a while. I've been monetized for a while. And over time, I've always thought, okay, YouTube is not that easy. I know it's not that easy. But what I've come to realize that with the right set of people, with the right mindset, with the right content, it can be like that. Do you know the lady called Banter with NJ? If you don't know her, go and check her out. And then there is this other one called Nneka Nwogu. So Nneka Nwogu is a sister to Banter with NJ. And Banter with NJ is a YouTuber. She's been a YouTuber for a while. I started following her not too long. And I like her space. She comes up with amazing content. She talks about family life, upbringing, her background, relationship issues, vlogs general. Just she makes it interesting in her own way. And then this her sister called Nneka Nwogo. I've always been featuring in her channel all this while. Until recently, Nneka became a YouTuber. I don't know if you know. If you don't know, check her out, Nneka Nwogo. And as soon as she dropped her first video, before you know it, a lot of people started subscribing to her. Tap, 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 tap. Before you know it, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Guys, to cut the long story short, 6 days later, she came up with a video that she has been monetized. Ow! I don't understand. So that got me thinking, wetin happen here? What just happened here? We know of all the stories on YT, but you see, why I decided to do this video is because I saw this and it seems very legit, very genuine. I believe it is genuine because of some reasons. There's something called forerunner. There's something called when somebody introduces you. There's something called sitting on the shoulders of those that have gone before you. Like I said, Nneka Nwogu is a sister to Banter with NJ and Nello. I think Nello is her sister also. And then she has lots of YouTubers around her, such that as soon as she dropped her first video, when they started sharing her, people started sharing her because of her sister's credibility, because of her friend's credibility, because of her own personality, because she has been featuring in her sister's video here and there. So when I saw it, for me, it's a good thing. I really love it. I really love it. Like, how do you start a YouTube in 6 days and you are monetized? Oh my God. Nneka Nwogu, I'm doing this video because of you and I'm saying congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. In 6 days, what took some people 5 years? What took some people 3 years? What took some people 6 months, 1 year, with hard work, with hard labor. But in your case, grace just paved way for you. Your sister's credibility paved way for you. Your own integrity, your personality paved way for you. So, Nneka, I'm saying congratulations to you. And then Banter, abeg, you people should cut soap for me, oh. Cut soap for me on this YT street. Thank you so much for everyone that supported her, even though I don't know them personally, but it's a good thing. And I want to use this medium to articulate support. Like, if you have strong system, they say united we stand, but divided we fall. Let's strengthen the core of our sisterhood. Sisterhood paved way for Nneka, whether you like it or not. In 3 days, in 6 days, we're not saying looking for watch hour. People will be looking for watch hour, doing live stream back to back, back to back. In 6 days, oh my goodness. Swile to your sisterhood, Nneka Nwogu. I respect you guys. This is amazing. And I thought, no, I'm going to do a reaction on this video to articulate the importance of support. Fellow YouTubers, fellow sisters out there, let us stand for ourselves. Let's stand for each other. Let the battle be a case of one for all. Don't always think about yourself. When you drop that video, don't think about you. Think about somebody else that it can benefit. Support people. Support people. This is amazing. Oh my God. I'm so happy for you, Neka. I'm so happy for you, Neka. And thank you so much to NJ. And then I want to just say, I want to articulate 3 points before I end this video. The first one is, let us learn to blow the trumpet when there's a good news. It's not only when two sisters are fighting or two friends are fighting that you see people doing reaction video. This one said this one said this. This is a good reaction. This is a good reaction. When you see something good that seems marvelous to you, do a reaction video to it. It's not only when there is saga. And that's why I said this is also a saga, if you want to call it a saga, but it's a positive one. Let's learn to make noise about good things on White Street. Let's learn to make noise about positivity from our country, Nigeria. Positivity for our continent, Africa. So let's learn to make positive noise. That's what I'm saying. The first thing I want to highlight today is positive saga. The second thing is street credibility. Who are you in the streets? Who are you in the church? Who are you in the marketplace? Who are you when nobody is watching? Who are you when you introduce someone? Can people trust the person you are bringing? Banter had street credibility. Neka sisters are friends that were YouTubers. They had street credibility such that when they launched her, pack, 6 days, she don't monetize. Hey, this one now wonder, oh, I never see, oh, wonder. Street credibility. When they call your name, can your name open the door? We need to start thinking. When they call my name Esther, can my name bring out money from the bank? Hey, Oluwa, street credibility. Lord, when they call my name, let my name bring money, oh, because as soon as they launch Neka Nwogu, you see, I mean, oh my God, street credibility. Make sure your integrity is tight, such that when you launch somebody on this White Street, we are all going to make it. We are all going to make it someday. But before then, when we see people that are doing well, let's make noise about them. Let's share their video. Let's not be envious. Let's wait for our time. We are still going to blow, and people will do reaction video. I believe somebody is going to do reaction video about me someday, somehow. Watch out for this girl. And then another thing I would like to talk about is sister supporting sister. Like I said, sisters, let's support our sisters. Sisterhood is not usually blood. You can support your sister even if she's not your sister. Support. We can't underestimate it. We can't overestimate. We need to support each other. Sisters supporting sisters. Sister power. Yeah. And the last but not the least is, let's keep putting out our content as content creators and believing God that someday our story will be, our story will be told. And just the way I am talking about Neka Nwogu, monetize in 6 days. Hey, somebody will also talk about my story. So this is a congratulatory message to you, Neka Nwogu. And this is to say to, if you're out there and you are contemplating of coming into the YT space, that's on to the YouTube space, just come. The sky is our limit. The sky is our limit. We can all make it. Let's just keep supporting ourselves. Let's keep getting better by the day and keep enjoying yourself. How are you all enjoying the summer season? Drop me a comment below. Mega shout out once again to Neka, and thank you also to Banter with NJ for giving me the permission to do this. God bless you till I see you in my next video. Please subscribe, click, thumbs up the video, and share. God bless you. Sister power to the world. Love you all. Bye-bye.